Yeah. So whenever like we launch an EC2 instance, we are going with only we are going only with a root partition. That's it, right? So like, okay, let me show you one thing. So let me launch one EC2 instance. So launching an EC2 instance, you already know what are the steps, what are all these steps. Okay. So I'll go with directly to, okay, let me see. There is no instances are running. So I have to launch one EC2 instance and I will launch an instance with key pair. Okay. So I'll give name Windows. I have to select image. This is the basic steps which you already know. So I will give key pair. So I will create key pair here. We, that's it. Create a key pair and I will do one thing. I will add a volume that is 10 GB. That is 10 GB. That's it. The launch and instance. We just wait for until it gets 2 by 2 check pass. So here is so it is now 2 by 2 check pass. So I'll copy uh, my public IP address and I'll do RD. Okay. Paste it. So I'll click on connect and it will ask for the password. So just click on here connect and go to RDP and just copy that administrator username, paste it over here and go to the get password and upload a private key over here, whichever you have downloaded. So I have downloaded over there Win. Yeah. So here is Win PM key, which I have downloaded. So I'll click over here. I'll click on decrypt password and I'll copy this password. So just paste it in password. Just click on it. Just so the windows will be a new window will be pop. The new window will pop up over here. A new operating system, that is your virtual server. So wait for a while for the first time. So might be you remember while launching an EC2 instance, I have selected 30 GB for operating system and one more volume I have added it, which is 10 GB, right? I have added it 10 GB, which is like here. If I'll show you here, you can see the volumes which whatever we have created. So you can check over here by clicking on volumes elastic block storage. So you can see here, like there is two storages. This is your root volume, which is 30 GB. That is default for Windows operating system. And one more I have added it, which is 10 GB. Okay, the extra volume. So now I will go to my instance here. So you can see this is my instance. I have launched the instance. So here I'll do one thing. There is no show icons are available. So I will enable the icons over here. Okay. So here is the desktop icons and I will enable this, which are files, whatever you require. So just enable over here and just click on OK. Apply and OK. So here is your my computer. This is your PC. Auto arrange. Yeah. So now I will go to my drives. So here I can see only 130 GB drives are there. Only 130 GB root volume is there. Can you see? But here I can see I have added one more extra 10 GB, but it is not reflecting over here. So what will be the issue? So whenever you are launching an instance, so you can select like you can attach new volumes also. But after launching an EC2 instance, you have to come here and you have to bring online that drive. So what we need to do is we have to, after launching an EC2 instance, we have to go to server manager. So here I'll click on server manager. So here we'll wait until, so we will get more options over here. All servers, dashboards, everything will get. Just wait for a while. The one more option will come, that is your storage. So here now you can see, now it is reflecting file and storage services. So just click on here, file and storage services. Now go and check the volumes over here. So there are no volumes yet. So I'll go and see, only see, I can see only C over here. This is my volumes. So how many disks I have attached to, right? So I can see 0, that is 30 GB, and 1 is your 10 GB, which is offline, and this is online. So what we need to do is we have to create on an offline over there, right click, and we have to click on bring online. So just click on yes. So now your hard drive is online. So now if you go and check over here, just wait a while. Okay, so just go to the disk only. Here again, now it is online. So again, you just click on it, and again you have to go and you have to click new volume. New volume. Then we have to do next, and which is 10 GB. Okay. Then we have to do next and click OK. That your 8 GB, like the 10 GB, and just click on next. We have to assign the drive later, D or anything else you want. I want D only. I'll assign D and I click next, and we have to format this. So we need to format. This is a raw partition. This is a raw partition. So we need to format. That is your file system, NTFS, new technology file system. So just click on it. If you want to give any name label, you can give over here, or else I'll go directly next and create. Just click on create. Now just click on close. Now you go and check in the volumes. Now the D drive is available. Now I will do the minimize this thing, and I will go and check out here so I can see my D drive over here. You see? So whenever you are launching an EC2 instance or attaching an EC2 instance, so what you need to do is you have to bring it online. Getting? So this is the one method, or else just I'll do one thing, I'll minimize this thing. Now if I'll go to the volumes, already I'm in volumes. So can you see the 10 GB is there? Now I want to attach one more 5 GB. GP2, the size will be, again, I want 10 GB. 10 GB. Okay. And I will attach, I'll create one more volume. And what I will do, so what I will do, I'll just click on it on over here, and action, I will just one second, this is attached. connection. Just wait a second. So now I will click on attach volume. So attach to the instance. So I will select 1 second. Yes, there is no matching running stop instances in EBS. Okay, so just 1 second. What I will do is we have to focus on availability zone also. Okay. So it is created in A. Can you see? I want to create in C. So what I will do, I'll just again delete this one. I'll create a volume again, GB2, and which will be 10 GB, and I will create on point C. Again, I will, if you want to do the encryption, you can encrypt over here. And I will click on create. Just wait until it gets. Okay, now it is no. I will just wait a while. It is in creating state. Can you see? Now it is available. Now I can attach. See, now I can attach. I'll click on here. So now see my instance is there. This availability zone. So I will click on over here and I will attach over here. Now this is attached. Now if I go and if I check over here, I can't see anything else. I can't see that volume here. So what you need to do is again we have to go to our server manager. Again we have to search to the disk. Again we have to just refresh. We have to do refresh. Now see, I can see unknown one more drive. See, it is unknown. Now it is in offline state. So again, what I have to do, I have to bring it online. Yes. What I will do again, I will make new. I will click next. Just click on next. That's it. And now assign a later. And the next and last one is you have to create. Now it is being created. Now it got created. Now you can see this is GPT and can you see now it is online. If I'll go and check in the volumes, so I can see E drive. If I'll go over here, I can see E drive over here. Okay. So this is the method how to bring the drives online, how to attach those drives to your EC2 instance.